welcome back to another video. This set is a little weather themed set that I did for a Charlie's nail art collab. I'll quickly show you the colours I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this classic silver from Skyline, Pure Realm, which is white, and Girly Viola, which is purple. I'm going to be using those three colours. I'm going to need this teal blue as well from Beetles. Gorgeous colour, that teal blue, I love it. And I'm using this colour from Yogi. It's from their pink purple set. It comes across more of a bright pink on camera, but it's actually quite a, it's got quite a lot of peachy, yeah, it's a bit of a peachy pink, that one. Not one of my favourite pinks, but I still like it. Right, I wanted to create an ombre. I wanted to use this sheer pink purple, and I wanted to use one of these whites. They both look the same, except obviously one glows in the dark. But I didn't realise the whites had a sparkle, and the pinky purple one that I wanted to use didn't have a sparkle. So you'll see later in the video, I end up mixing them. Right, to put my pigments on, I'm going to use this light tack. It worked brilliantly last time I used it, so I'm going to use it again. This is the glitter I'm using from Charlie's Nail Art. It's called Pixie Dust. You can't really see it in the bag, but you'll see it when I pour some into the tray later on. Right, on the thumb, the middle finger and the ring finger, I'm just going to put a thin, even layer of this light tack air drying glue from She Modern. Yeah, just a nice thin coat. Make sure you cover the whole nail down the edges, right down the edges and right up the tip. Nice thin coat. And remember, this is air drying, so you just have to leave it for, it takes anything from 30 seconds to a minute depending on how warm your environment is. It takes about a minute normally. So yeah, just leave that to air dry. You'll know when it's dry because it will go completely clear. So yeah, what I've ended up doing is, because I needed to put a bit of a sparkle in that purple, I just mixed a bit of that opaque pink, because it had a sparkle in it, and some of the white sparkle in with that pinky purple one, because I wanted it all sparkling. I didn't want the purple to have no sparkle and then the white at the bottom to have a sparkle. I'm sounding very confusing now, aren't I? Yeah, look, I've been sick and tired of having to pull my flexi hand on and off that because you have to unscrew it at the top, unscrew it at the bottom. Yeah, so I've just permanently took it off its stand now. I'm just resting it on that light bulb box until I find something a bit easier on the eye. Yeah, all I'm going to do with the pigments is I'm just going to pat it in around that cuticle area and just brush it down the nail, and you end up with a beautiful ombre. So easy. Right, I'll let you watch this and I'll be back in a second. Right, that's my ombres done. Look at that glitter. I love it. It's so pretty. Yeah, that's my ombres done now. What I'm going to do with the glitter on the two other nails, I'm just going to give them a quick base coat. I'm using Model 1's base coat because I want to put just a tiny little, teeny weeny little bit of that glitter at the top of these nails. So rather than use my fan brush that I normally use to do a glitter fade, I'm just going to use this teeny weeny little brush, because I literally just want a tiny little bit up by the cuticle. In hindsight, I should have put this glitter on a white background rather than a clear background, because you end up not seeing it very well at all. But you live and you learn. I'll know better next time. I'll do better next time, I promise. So yeah, I'm just going to sprinkle a little tiny bit around that cuticle area. I'm going to do exactly the same on the other nail as well. So yeah, I'm just putting that in the wet base coat, and then I'll cure them in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I'll let you watch it again and I will be back in a second. Right, now that's them out of the lamp, can you see? You can't see it very well, can you, at all? What I'm going to do is I'm going to give all the nails a quick base coat. I'm just going to stick a base coat on that I use for glitters. What I'm going to do with the nails that I've got glitter on, I'm going to give them a quick file and a buff off camera, just so they're smooth, because I want to do quite a bit of gel polish painting on these nails. Right, I've filed and buffed them nails with the glitter on. They're all nice and smooth. I've wiped all that tacky layer off because I used a base coat instead of a top. Right, I'm just going to let you sit back and watch now. I'm just going to show you quickly how I do my clouds. I'm going to paint some clouds. I just use a dotting tool and I just do some little dots like that, and then I just join them up, simple as that. So I'm just going to paint a few clouds. I'm going to paint a few umbrellas, Ellas, and a rainbow. So yeah, I will let you watch and I will be back when it's all done. Right, that's all the pesky little gel polish painting done. Wow, took a long time, that did. I pulled out these little silver holographic umbrellas. They are so cute, so tiny. Why does my voice go squeaky when I talk about tiny things? Again, I have just put a base coat on the nails that I want to put these little umbrellas into. I'm putting the umbrellas into the wet base coat, and I've just put a couple of teeny weeny little kind of horse-eye shaped gems, just 2 on the thumb and 1 on the middle finger, and then I'm going to stick them in the lamp to cure. Those gems are so cute, so cute. Right, and all I'm doing now is I've just put some of the silver gel polish from Savvyland on my palette, and I'm just creating some little like raindrops. Really, I wanted it to look like it was raining. So yeah, that's all I'm doing there. Right, now I'm going to get them in the lamp for 30 seconds and then we can get them finished. They're alright. I just wish I would have put that pixie dust on a white background. You really can't see it, can you? Right, I'm just going to get them top coated now. I'm using Model 1's top coat. Yeah, I was hoping once I put this top coat on that pixie dust would just miraculously change colour and appear really, really bright. But it didn't. You can still see it. I wanted the nails to be clear though. I wanted it to be like, just, oh, I don't know. I have these visions in my head, and sometimes when I try and put them on a nail, they just don't work out right. I wanted it to kind of look like raindrops down glass. But anyway, yeah. I like the middle two nails. I do like the middle two nails with the rainbow on. I think they're cute. And I love like the jelly effects you get from them sheer pigments from Sheer Modern. Yeah, I like them. I really like that jelly effect kind of ombre. I do. I'm being very lazy there. But what I do in a minute, I do get my detailer brush out and go around those little teeny weeny gems. I always try and take the easy way out. Especially when I've been sat here for 2 hours painting pesky little rainbows. I try and take the easy way out. But no, I do. You should always get your detailer brush out to go around your little gems and stuff. Especially if you're using the real things like Swarovski crystals. Gosh, you don't want to top coat over them. No, you don't. Little plastic ones are not too bad. You can get away with top coating over them sometimes. But I don't like doing that. I don't like top coating over my gems. But yeah, I get my detailer brush out now, look. Right, I'm going to get them into cure now for 30 seconds. And that'll be then finished. I think the thumb does look a bit like raindrops on glass. But that's about it. Yeah, I'll get them into cure now for 30 seconds and that'll be then done. Oh, do you know how much easier it is not having that flexi hand on the stand? So much easier. I just need to find something a bit prettier to put it on other than a light bulb box. Anyway guys, that's it. Remember I have a discount code for Charlie's and the link to Charlie's website will be in my description box as always. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I'd love for you to subscribe. Remember to hit the little bell so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye.